Rise above the noise, don't let it bring you down. You got the power, wear your crown. Rise above the noise, don't let it drown. You're the master of your fate, turn it around. They said you ain't enough, you ain't the best, but I'm here to tell you, you got a voice, use it, make it loud. Don't let the doubter silence you proud. You a warrior, a fighter, a survivor too. You've been through the storm, but you made it through. You got the scars to prove it, the wisdom to share. Rise above the noise, show them you care. Rise above the noise, don't let it bring you down. You got the power, wear your crown. Rise above the noise, don't let it drown. You're the master of your fate, turn it around. You're the master of your fate, turn it around. You're the architect of your destiny. Don't let the world define your identity. You're a masterpiece in the making. You got the brush, paint your own path, no faking. You're the captain of your soul, the master of your fate. You rise above the noise, don't hesitate. Love the change you wanna see, the revolution in me. Rise above the noise, set your spirit free. Rise above the noise, don't let it bring you down. You got the power, wear your crown. Rise above the noise, don't let it drown. You're the master of your fate, turn it around. You're the master of your fate, turn it around.